Okay, there's those carriers over there that I filmed the other day. And so we came back to this business complex and I found these trains, that same building. This one's from 2008 and it's an XR14. Looks like it's a 5-ton. I guess it's a 14-seater. Nice and shiny. Let's see. There's no security cameras or anything, right? 2008, that's an XB13. 5-ton it looks like as well. It's another XB13, also from 2008. I think it's a 5-ton too. Good systems, and I guess that one's the same over there. Here's a quick look at that one. I don't want to get caught. I don't like this place. I don't think this building is open. But yeah, I guess over now.